Students, in previous lecture we have discussed this first question. Okay, now in today in this video we will start with question number 2. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. Now see the first question. 30th term of this AP is what? Now see this AP, this is the first term, so we will write some details here. Second question, first term is 10 D. Now we know how to find D. T2 minus T1, second term minus first term, it means 7 minus 10. 7 minus 10 is minus 3. Okay, now 30th term, it means n equal to 30. 30th number term is what? The value of this 30th term, it means Tn, we have to find. Okay, now we know the formula of Tn. A plus n minus 1 into D. We know this is the formula. Now A is what? 10, n is 30 minus 1 into D, and D is what? Minus 3. 30 minus 1 is 29, and here is minus 3. 10, this plus minus minus, 29 into 3, I think it is 87. Okay, 10 minus 87 is minus 77. So 30th term is minus 77. So option C is right, minus 77. Okay, here we have to find the 11th term. Okay, now I'm giving you to homework. Okay, because the method is same formula you apply. This is the first term, minus 3 is the first term, cut minus 1 by 2, minus 3. Okay, and you will have D. N is 11, you have to find Tn. Okay, now we will start the third question. What this third question is? In the following APs, find the missing term. Okay, now this is the box, it means we have to find the second term. Okay, we have to find second term. Now how to find the second term? So see, to solve this, first of all I'll teach you a method and another method to find D. See, in AP we have learned that the first term is A, second term is AD, A plus D, then A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. If I do T2 minus T1, A plus D minus A cut, answer is D. Okay, that is how we can find D. But there is another method also to find D. See, this is the third term and this is the first term. If I do T3 minus T1, okay, then it will be something like this: A plus D minus A cut. Then here we get 2D. Okay, it is not giving me D, it is giving me 2D. So how to find D? I can take this 2 here. So it will become D is equals to T3 minus T1 upon 2. Now you can observe that 3 minus 1 is also 2. Okay, now if you do this fourth term minus first term, it means T4 minus T1. Then what will happen? Fourth term is a plus 3d and first term is what? A. Cut this and you will have 3d. If I take this 3 here, d becomes T4 minus T1 upon 3. Now you can here observe the same thing. 4 minus 1 is 3. Here we have, if you can observe it, T3 minus T1, 3 minus 1 is 2. So it means that we can find d by this kind of formula, that you can take any term here, in divide you have to subtract the number of term, third term, so 3 minus first term, so 1, 3 minus 1, that is 2. Okay, here 4 minus 1, that is 3. So we can make a common formula for d, that Tm minus Tn. If we do this, then in divide we will do m minus n. M minus n is something like this, 4 minus 1. Okay, so this is the common formula that we can use to find d. Now we can use that formula to solve this kind of questions. Okay, see, in third question we can say this is the first term, that is 2. Okay, to find this, to find the second term, we have to find d for that. Okay, so how to find that? You can use this, or for this first particular this question you can also do this, that a equal to 2. This is the third term, so we can say this is T3 equal to 26. Okay, so you can do this also, that T3, we know the formula of Tn, a plus 3 minus 1, that is 2d. T3 is 26, a is 2 plus 2d, take this 2 here, plus 2 becomes minus 2, take this 2 into divide, 24 divided by 2 and you will have 12. That is how you can find the value of d as 12. Okay, now we need to find the second term. Okay, to find the second term, it means T2. Now we know the formula again, a plus n minus 1, 2 minus 1, that is 1d. Now a is 2 and d is 12. 12 plus 2 is 24. That is also a good method to find the answer. Okay, so in this box we will have the answer 14. Okay, let's go for the another question. Okay, this time I will show you how to use that formula that we have derived earlier. Box 13, box 3. Now see, to find this, we can say this is the second term, it means T2 is 13. This is the fourth term, so T4 is 3. To find d, okay, it is easy to find d. How? We can use the formula T4 minus T2. So here we will have 4 minus 2, Tm minus Tn upon m minus n. T4 is 3, T2 is 13 upon 4 minus 2 is 2. Now 3 minus 13 means minus 10 by 2, so we will have minus 5. Okay, now this is the first term. Now how to find that first term? First term is nothing but a. Okay, first term we call first term as a. Now we can use this same formula here, that d is equal to t2 minus t1. t1 is first term. Okay, now d is what? Minus 5. t2 means second term is 13 minus t1. Now to find this t1, take this t1 here and 5 here. Minus t1 becomes plus t1 and minus 5 becomes plus 5. So 13 plus 5 becomes 18. So t1 is nothing but a. Okay, so we find the value of a as 18. Okay, now the third term. Third term is what? We have to add d to the second and we will find the third term. Okay, so third term t3, we can also use the same formula, tn a plus n minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2d. a is 18 and d is minus 5. Plus minus minus, 5 2s are 10. 18 minus 10 is 8. You can have the same formula here to find that answer. Okay, that's all for this video. We will discuss the other question, okay, in next video. Till then, for homework you must try this two, 4th and 5th. We will discuss this third question in next video. Okay, these two questions are homework, 4th and 5th. You try it yourself.